Alright, so this is the 2-car garage. Pretty basic. Get like a thing in there, sink, back door, and I know some of them are one space. Here's our door. And welcome to our old home. Our no longer home. And just this light. So when you first walk in, you get a little hallway. Nice to put like a bench or shoe rack there. A small coat closet. Good size. And then you walk in this way and you have your living room and you have outlets there on that wall. Here, all the way around in this little like nook in the window area. It's where I had my plants. We actually moved our dining room into this room for a while and it worked out pretty nicely because the back room is just more private. You have your stairs that lead upstairs, a small bathroom here, just and then this leads into your dining room. Decent sized dining room. You can see our living room through here. Show you guys out back real fast. This is the backyard. I hate that that's there, but okay, so basically it's just your normal average backyard. It's so bright you can't even see. But that view is what I'm gonna miss most. Okay, and then in this room you have the kitchen. So you have a good amount. It's got Waylon and my dad in here working, cleaning. So you have
I'm cleaning.
Finishing up. Waylon, stay in here, please. Regular fridge, a decent sized pantry. Oh. And then just a regular stove. Here is your laundry room. In ours, we were lucky enough to have this cool little nook that I use for cleaning supplies, and we put Benji's food right under there. It's very handy, but that is our entire home. We're no longer home. We're moving. So if you're moving to Fort Benning, Georgia, you have a 3-bedroom. This could be a floor plan that you get. There's a few different ones. I think there's probably maybe 4 or 5 3-bedroom ones. They all kind of vary. Alright, and this takes you up the stairs around this corner. We just finished cleaning pretty much upstairs. We just have to vacuum one more time, but we will start off this way. This is the 3rd bedroom. It is above the garage. I think in every house that's a 3-bedroom. It's a really decent size. The only thing is in the summer and winter, because it's above the garage, you can definitely feel the heat or the cold in this small closet. It's really nice size. This giant closet, I mean, it's pretty big. You can almost put a crib in here, but there's no air, so probably don't do that. But this room was great for army gear. That's what we used it for, especially like the army gear that you don't want like bugs crawling in and stuff. Because I saw some people like put theirs in the whatever that's called, the garage, but that's no. Also, I think all the rooms have smoke detectors, so that's nice. And this is the Nook. It's a nice size room. We used it for an office slash at one point we used it for just like a reading nook. So we had like our big Papa Sun chair here. And the bookcase, and then we have this really long table here that was perfect for like craft storage. But I did also have my desk here at one point a long time ago. But then here's the guest bathroom. Not all of the houses have just one light. Some of them have one light and one fan, so I guess it just depends on which house you get. There's the floor there, and then yeah, see, we have to vacuum again. This small linen closet, which is a nice size. And then this is where we kept all our cloth papers, right there. And you have your AC unit thingy. I know that some people have the new one, which is really nice, but we didn't get that. And then this is the second bedroom. It's a really nice size. We had the boys sharing this room at one point, and they did share a closet up until we left, because they're tiny and don't need that much. And this beautiful view. Not all of them have this great view, but we are lucky enough to live on the wood line, so we get a nice view, and I'm going to miss it. Here is a utility closet. It just has this in it. Big scary thing that Waylon calls. We actually did put storage stuff in there. I don't think you're supposed to, but we did anyways. This is our master closet. I would turn the light on, but the light actually doesn't work at all. So that sucks. But it's a decent size master closet. And then here we have our master bath. And I cleaned the heck out of this bathroom, so whoever lives here next, you're welcome. I tried to do the toilet around the bottom, but that just needs new caulking. Their bathtubs suck. They're incredibly hard to clean, but I think I did a pretty decent job. And whatever. It's cleaner than when I moved in. That's all that I care about. I know I did my job. And then this is the master. So our neighbor's master is actually on this side, on this wall as well. So instead of putting our bed on that wall like the previous tenants had, because we could tell where their bed was, we actually put our bed on this wall, and it was really nice. Like, I don't believe we heard each other, maybe lightly talking, or like if the TV was on pretty loud, but that was it. And then this is our little nook. Definitely not all of the houses have this, but this is a nice addition that I was not expecting, and I loved it. I know that some people don't have a window there, and some do apparently, but some people use this as their like little get ready place, so they have their dresser here, a mirror. I had my desk here and a bookshelf, but before I had my desk in here, I had the Papa San here and had a like little reading nook. But it's a decent size. I mean, I feel like this is probably the larger size for the 3-bedroom for the master than any of the other houses, because we did live in a different house, but I didn't have, obviously didn't film that one, but yeah, this one, we liked this layout a lot. And I forgot to mention, but this room, the kids' room, their kids' bedroom is on that wall as well. So that kind of sucks, but it's not that big of a deal. I don't think we, like I said, ever heard one another. Maybe she heard me screaming at the boys, but that's about it. And then you come down the stairs back to the main floor, and that's the upstairs.